What is good, YouTube? My name is CJ. I love tech, sneakers, and anything creative. I'm back. That's right. The Whitestone Dome plug is back in the building. As you can see right here, I have 4 Whitestone Dome glasses for 2 sizes of the Glaxy S9. Now, I wanted to talk about the Glaxy S9 for a quick second. I was going to purchase it and invest in that to have content to produce for the channel on the S9. You know what I mean? My phone reviews have done well for me, and I like doing them. I'm very excited behind Samsung and how they're pushing forward with the cell phone industry. You know what I mean? Like the variable aperture of the camera on the S9. I think that is dope. What else have they done with this thing? Oh, the super slow-mo. I think that's cool. I mean, slow motion is something I see beneficial in like videography and stuff like that. And I mean, some people don't have a camera or a pro consumer camera, and they can use the S9 and get some really cool shots to add to their production value of their videos. The rearranged fingerprint sensor, I'm very hype about that. That means that more than likely, I mean, it better be on the Galaxy Note 9. So looking at the S9, I'm excited about it because it shows me what's in the future for the Galaxy Note 9, which I'm gonna be hyped to see what they do with that at the end of this year. Now, like I said, I was going to get the Galaxy S9. I was 100% certain, had the rumors and everything, I was hyped. And then the S9 came, and I just came to a reality, like, you know, looking at the S9 and the S9 Plus in comparison to my Galaxy Note 8, it's like, yeah, I could grab the phone, do the video, have my swag and fun, which I probably should do as far as growth for the channel and everything. But I decided not to. Like, I wanted to invest in something different. I grabbed the Crane 2, which is gonna add to my production value for my videos, which I thought was a little bit more important than me getting the S9 and doing a video on that. Now, granted, with that being said, I still haven't 100% fully made up my mind. Like, I could go run off after this video right now, shoot straight to Best Buy, snatch one up, come back and start doing videos on it. But more than likely, I don't think I'm gonna buy the S9. And reason being, there are other flagships this year that I wanna invest in and get reviews on. Like, I wanna try a OnePlus. I'm very curious about that brand and what they're offering at that price point, like this year. So I think I wanna grab probably their version this year. I'll see, depending on how excited and it gets. But I would love to get my thoughts on that. I would love to get my thoughts on the Google Pixel 3 this year, as well as seeing what Apple brings this year. Now, the only part that sucks about that is those releases are further to the end of this year. So, yeah, that hinders content. So I'm still on the fence about the Galaxy S9. I won't even lie. But in reality, what I want to say to you is the Whitestone Dome plug is back in the building. Boom! If you're looking for the best glass, tempered glass screen protector for your Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, look no further. I got the solution right here. The Whitestone Dome. Wait, I got the light hitting the thing. The Whitestone Dome Glass. Like, I stand behind this brand. I'm kind of like a brand ambassador for them to some degree. Like, I love the technology behind how this glass works. And that's the reason why I'm enthusiastic about it. There's no payment or, you know what I mean? Like, Whitestone Dome, we don't have that type of relationship. But I like to push their products. It's just genuine for me. Like, I'm not getting any incentive to do this. I mean, I get the product, and say if I had the phone or something, I mean, I could throw a glass on there or whatever. But also, I get your attention too. But when it comes to the Whitestone Dome Glass, if you have not seen the application process to this, go ahead and click one of my videos. I've done it on the Galaxy Note 8. I've done it on the iPhone 8 glass, and I've done it as well on the Pixel 2. Now, I was gonna do it on the Galaxy S9, but I think I've decided not to invest that purchase for the Galaxy S9. But what I'm gonna do is, for all you current Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus owners, I'm gonna hook you up with this. Now, also, since I'm not gonna be doing the actual physical one to the S9, I'm gonna link down below a couple of channels, especially channels that I like and that I want to support. I want you to go to their channels and watch their installation reviews, as well as some of them will have case compatibility with this glass. And that's very important. You want to get the right case to go with this glass, so you keep everything nice and smooth and you don't have any issues. Now, I'm gonna link those channels down below. I know there's like Gravix, there's Udroid Media, and Jimmy's Promo and so forth. So these are channels that I genuinely support and recommend, and they have great installation videos. So I'm never gonna steer you wrong in that fact. And then if you want to check out all of my Whitestone Dome content, I've been doing a ton of installation videos for them. Simple as this. Let's get straight into the, whoa. Before I go any further, smash that thumbs up. Smash that sub button. I'm on a journey to 10,000 subs right now, trying to hit 50,000, and I'll take 100,000 if you're willing to give it to me. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna keep the content hot and fresh. I got my Whitestone glass falling over here. But simple as this. This is how you enter. Go ahead, hit that like button, smash that sub button, and while you edit, hit me with the hashtag S9 or hashtag S9 Plus so I know which glass you're entering for. You know, got a handful right here. I'm gonna let this stay up for about a good month or so. Then I'll pick someone and I'll hit you. Now look, here's another important fact. YouTube doesn't make it easy to reach out and get in contact with you. So to make that easier, follow me on the social medias. Hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whatever. Somewhere where it's easy to slide in the DMs, get the information I need. Not slide in the DMs that way, you know what I mean? But get the information I need in order to make sure you get this glass. Like, you know, I've had success through social media routes getting in contact with winners. And if you want to leave your social media when you enter next to your hashtag S9 at so-and-so on blah, blah, blah. Or if you want to leave your email, that makes it so much easier. So again, smash that like button, hit that sub button, hashtag S9, hashtag S9 Plus, whichever one you're entering for, and then leave your social media in that comment. It makes it so much easier. The easier these giveaways are, the more I'm willing to do them. So like I said, I'm not gonna have the physical installation on the S9 in this video. This is more so about the giveaway and me giving it to you. So make sure you do that, smash that. I mean, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, but also check out the videos and the channels that I've linked below because they have awesome installation videos on the actual S9. I'm gonna show you advice, take your time, breathe, relax, woosah, and don't be intimidated. When you look at this process, it might look a lot more harder than what you think, but it makes so much more sense to have a full adhesive cover your entire screen, meaning that this glass is gonna lay flat and snug from corner to corner, edge to edge. It's perfect. It makes no sense.
What?
I mean, I said it makes no sense. It makes all the sense in the world. But it's clear, you see right through it. You see exactly what you need. Like I have a Galaxy Note 8, my S Pen functions as it should. Same thing as my finger swipes, typing, everything works perfectly fine. Like literally, this is the best glass on the market for any mobile device. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna continue to push the Whitestone Dome, hit you up in your face with that. And you know what I'm saying? The Note 8 is still king as of right now. I had to, you know, I'm sorry, I just had to do it, you know what I mean? I got a itchy trigger finger to get them haters off me. But real talk, I just want to say, smash that sub button, smash that like button. Whitestone Dome Glass, it's like a no-brainer. This is like the best glass you could get for your device. I'm here to hook you up. Hashtag S9 or hashtag S9 Plus. Please do that. It makes it so much easier. Also, put that social media, your ad, or your email. That also makes it easier, you know what I mean? You do want it, right? You know what I mean? I know you want this, you know what I mean? Like, it's simple. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Smash that. I don't got anything else to rabble on about. Yeah, I won't even make this longer than what it needs to be. Like I said, Whitestone Dome Glass, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus users, get at me, like this video, and I'll hook you up. Peace. But look, listen to me. TubeBuddy.com/CJKnowsTECH. Now I know you think I'm pushing this for my own personal gain. Well, 30% yes, but 70% really is for you. Because honestly, if you're making YouTube videos and you don't have this extension, using it to help you and understanding how the algorithm to YouTube works, you're doing yourself a disservice. Plus, there's other good tools on there that makes things fast. Like I could copy however many 30 tags from this video and put it on mine that they're related instead of having to type that all over again, templates and so forth. I'm gonna be doing videos about TubeBuddy. I'm pushing this on my own. It wasn't like TubeBuddy came to me like, hey CJ, no. I went to TubeBuddy, I got it, and I checked it out, and I'm using it at this point. I'm a practitioner of it. I pay for this, so this is genuine. TubeBuddy.com/CJKnowsTECH, and I'm gonna help you with TubeBuddy and why you need it to help grow your channel. There's other ones out there and so forth, and even if you don't use my link, get it anyway. You can still watch my videos about it, but I would greatly appreciate the TubeBuddy.com/CJKnowsTECH. All right, I'm gonna stop drilling that in your mind, but realistically, if you're doing YouTube and you don't have this extension, you're doing yourself a disservice, and I'll let you know why in future videos. But for right now, let's get back to whatever I was talking about. I don't know.